I'm Dee McMeeking and I'm a wedding stylist, wedding planner and floral designer, and my passion is working with flowers. Our courses are set up very much to cater for all of the different learning types that are there. We have podcasts if you are an auditory learner. We obviously have a lot of step-by-step video tutorials, but these are then backed up by written step-by-step approaches as well. So whether your preference is for reading, for watching or for listening, we have it all covered. It's absolutely amazing to see people who thought that they couldn't do something actually go through the entire process and come out the other end and then contact you and say, do you know what, I've just booked my first wedding, I've just booked my first event and I'm doing the flowers within there. That gives me such satisfaction, but it also gives them such satisfaction. I've had great success in doing this. I've been able to leave my 9-to-5 job, be happier as a person and do things that I never thought I would be able to do before. And if I can do it, I firmly believe that anybody else can too. So for me, it's a way of helping somebody else boost their dreams and follow a lifestyle that they really want to live.